Hi everyone, a few weeks ago an amazing couple, Khaylan and Andrew, came to visit my shop to buy some plants, and they also surprised me with this awesome basket. They thought it would be a great idea for me to turn this basket into a succulent arrangement, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. So in this video I'm going to show you how to line the basket so that you can use it as a planter. The purpose of the liner is to prevent any moisture from making contact with the basket. I will be using a black bag as the lining. So what I'm going to do is simply place the black bag inside, and I'm going to let it hang over the basket, and at the end I'm going to cut off the overhang. So line it like this, doesn't have to be perfect. I will be using scissors to cut 2 holes at the bottom of the basket. The reason I cut holes in the bag is to provide draining. So now I can put my soil in there, and I am using just cactus soil, which is a well-draining soil. Put it in here. Whoa. This is my workout of the day. Make sure I get enough in here. This is a really large basket, so it is going to take up quite a bit of soil. So I think that's good enough. Should be good. So then I'm going to push down, compressing the soil so that in a few weeks I don't come out here and then it looks like my arrangement has completely sunken in. So that's good. These are some of the succulents that I have selected to put in the basket. Some of them are hanging. This is a Carassula pellucida, and it's so beautiful. I have other ones that are maroon, but I want to use this one in there. Then I have my favorite, my Kalanchoe panda plant. This is one of my most popular succulents. It is a pink panther. I love this one. I have some purple pearls that are cuttings that I'll be using in there. I am removing the soil from all of them before I start because we're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. All of my succulents are out of the soil, so now I can place them where I want to in the basket. And this one I'm going to place right here, center stage. Well, it's not really center stage, but it's right up front. Just like that, so that it could hang once it grows beautifully. Then, kind of working a little randomly here. This one I want to put back here. I'm noticing that I might need a little bit more soil back here because the basket does kind of dip down. Slope down, I should say. So I am going to maybe add a little bit more soil, but we'll see. Put this large one back there. I'll put the pink panther up front as well. Maybe I'll keep it to the side. Just arranging, trying to shift some of them because the soil, I added more soil. Oh, that fits there. Maybe not. I'm gonna move this here. Koi. This is kind of small. I don't want to put that. Really nice. All the succulents are in now, and now I'm going to cut the overhang of the black bag. So I'm going to cut, and I'm going to leave a little bit, about an inch of an overhang, because then I'm going to fold it in. And now I'm going to fold it in. And don't worry, I know you can still see it, but I am going to add moss. And now I'm going to add some sheet moss. You can use, truthfully, any moss that you have around: sphagnum moss, sheet moss, moss you get at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put the moss over the areas where you could see the black bag. So that's essentially it, around the entire rim of the basket. I love using moss. It's perfect to fill in negative space. So you can stick it in wherever there's gaps. And that's exactly what I'm going to do as I am putting it around the rim as well. There are some spaces that you could see a lot of soil. Just a little red. I really hope you enjoyed seeing this come together. I think it looks so beautiful, and I can't wait to put it up in my front porch. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.